everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to show you the best way to stop a particular channel from showing or being recommended to you even if you don't subscribe to it. Now most times we don't subscribe to some channels and yet we see their content being recommended to us. If you want to get rid of this, what you do is, for example, I'm going to scroll down to one I do not want. Let's say I do not want to keep seeing content from this particular channel. You tap on the three dots at the corner, you will see do not recommend channel, and you tap on it and it is gone. As you can see, we won't recommend videos from this channel to you again. And if you want to undo it, you can simply tap on undo here and it goes back. Then if you want to learn more, you can tap on learn more over here to learn more about this whole thing, how you can manage your recommendation and search results, how you can tune your recommendation, and how you can mark contents as not interested and the rest of them. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.